We're going to be making homemade Chinese glutinous rice wine today. Now this wine is really sweet. It's more like a dessert wine that you would drink after dinner. You're going to need these sweet wine rice balls and 3 cups of extra glutinous rice. The first thing you need to do is crush up one of these little packets. Each packet will contain a block with about 25 grams of the sweet wine powder. You're going to need to make sure that you mash it up and turn that block into very fine powder. You're going to need to rinse and cook 3 cups of the extra glutinous rice. Once your glutinous rice is cooked, you're going to let it cool down before you start to layer it. Now what you're going to need is a glass jar with a seal top lid. Once your glutinous rice has cooled down, you're going to add 1 layer of rice onto the bottom of your glass jar. Then you're going to evenly sprinkle some of that glutinous rice powder onto the rice, and then add another layer of rice on top and continue to layer until you've finished all the powder as well as all the glutinous rice. Once you've layered all your glutinous rice and sweet glutinous rice powder, you're going to put saran wrap on top of your jar and then seal that jar tight. Place the jar somewhere warm and sunny and it will be ready between 8 to 10 days. You'll notice that liquid will form in the jar. The liquid is actually the rice wine, which you'll enjoy if you put it in the fridge and get it nice and cold. Now my mom, who makes this for me, actually likes to drink the rice wine and eat the rice. But for myself, I like to use a cheesecloth and drain the rice wine out, chill it in the fridge, and enjoy the wine.